Here.
All over that.
We made a mess.
You
We
should,
need some shop towels.
you should go inside and wash out.
Nathaniel, George, what are we going to do today?
Get the engine in the car. And I have done double.
You have a jet airplane
Yep.
in your mechanics gloves. We got little baby mechanics gloves. So what we need to do is get this car up on jacks. We need to get some of the pieces off the front of the engine, drop the oil out of it.
What do you mean drop the oil out?
We already did some degreasing and everything. Just
What do you
trying to
mean
get
drop
things
the
clean.
oil out?
We have to remove all the oil from the engine before we pull it out. Otherwise, it's just going to dump all over the ground. So we're excited. We are honestly just now getting to work on this project. I mean, up to this point, we were messing around with the engine still inside the car, trying to get it to turn. We were setting up this garage, dealing with coronavirus. So, really, the project is starting in earnest today. We're so excited to have you guys along. Thank you so much for everybody's patience while we've been working, trying to get this thing ready. We're excited to get to work. So I think what everybody is watching is the gradual realization that we are in way over our heads. Huh? Nathaniel, look at what all we did. Take a look. Car up on stands, with the front valence off and the lights disconnected. We got the hood off and out of the way. We got the what? We got the wide pipe, and then we have a drive shaft. What do you think, buddy?
And this.
It was and the grill. We got a lot of work done, didn't we?
And the top screws.
We took a whole lot of bolts off. Not too bad. It says that we have to rotate the engine by hand to disconnect it from the transmission.
What?
Nothing. Stupid.
How hard could that be?